Hello, my name is Andrew Shramko, and this is the test result from this GoPro rig you saw. Uh, this one. Um, I'm using um, linear mode in a GoPro cameras. Also, I did a test with a fisheye, but it's not good even if you will use special template for the fish your video. This template not perfect. That's why you will not receive a good camera position calculation. So better to use the linear mode inside the GoPro cameras. And this model was trained on near 3 megapixels photo. It's but originally it's near 20 megapixels photo. So even with such small photos trained, you can see a very, very good result on such small objects, seen as small object. But if I will train it with a 20 megapixels photo, it will be much sharper. So let me know if you need to shoot something special for your VR project, and I will help you. Bye.